Are you tired of writing the same old boring text? Do you want to add a touch of excitement and creativity to your writing? Well, look no further. GPT-1 is here to revolutionize the way you create content. GPT-1. Imagine being able to transform your text by simply replacing words with synonyms. With GPT-1, you can do just that. It's a powerful text transformation tool that takes your writing to new and exciting places. So here's how it works. Step 1. You enter your text or content into the GPT-1 interface. Step 2. You hit Submit. And voila, GPT-1 will generate a transformed output by randomly replacing words with their synonyms. Just like magic, your text comes to life with a fresh new perspective. GPT-1 helps you break free from writer's block, giving you endless possibilities for creative and interesting writing. But that's not all. GPT-1 is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so writers of all skill levels can benefit from this fantastic tool. Whether you're a novelist, a journalist, a student, or simply someone who loves to write, GPT-1 has something for everyone. It's your passport to a world of limitless creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Take your writing to the next level with GPT-1. Get ready to amaze your readers, captivate your audience, and become the wordsmith you were meant to be. GPT-1, unlock the power of creative writing with AI.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.